Keeping your steering tight is crucial no matter where you're traveling. So if you've been experiencing play in your suspension or shaking in the steering wheel, stick around. Today, we'll show you how to get your steering and front end back under control. Regain response in your steering with the Bilstein 5100 series steering damper. Bilstein dampers take the same high gas pressure monotube design that's found in their shock absorbers and adapt them to your steering, offering instant responses to your inputs behind the wheel. These steering stabilizers feature degressive valving, reduction vibration, and wear and tear on your front end steering components. Even with all the advantages of having a Bilstein steering stabilizer designed with an OE in mind, they're a direct fit replacement that's easy to install. If your steering's gotten sloppy and you don't feel in control of your wheel, stabilize your steering before it's too late. Get the Bilstein 5100 series steering damper for your vehicle at xdp.com today.